When first my brave Johnny lad came to this tune, he had a blue bonnet that wanted the croon, but now he has gotten a hat and a feather. Hey, brave Johnny lad, cock up thy beaver. Cock up thy beaver and cock it for sprush. We'll over the border and gie them a brush. There's somebody there will teach better behaviour. Hey, brave Johnny lad, cock up thy beaver. So what have we here? The old 8 lines were published in David Hurd's Ancient and Modern Scots Songs in 1869. And those read this way. When first my dear Johnie came to this town, he had a blue bonnet, it wanted the crown. But now he has gotten a hat and a feather. Hey, my Johnie lad, cock up your beaver. Cock up your beaver, cock up your beaver. Hey, my Johnie lad, cock up your beaver. Cock up your beaver and cock it nae wrang. We'll all to England ere it be long to fight. So, what Burns does very little to the first 4 lines, but he adds the word brave. And what he's doing in his revision is riffing on the sounds of the word beaver. And it gives the sense that this hat it's like a lucky charm or a stylish talisman of a power thing that kind of tames the terrors of war into teaching of manners, for this young man. So he adds the word brave here. When first my brave Johnie lad came to this town, he had a blue bonnet that wanted the crown, but now he's gotten a hat and a feather. Hey, brave Johnie lad, cock up thy beaver. And in the second 4 lines, we have the word border, better, behaviour, brave beaver. Cock up thy beaver and cock it fou sprush. We'll over the border and gie them a brush. There's somebody there will teach better behaviour. Hey, brave Johnie lad, cock up thy beaver. So fou sprush means full or so sprucely. So brilliant work there, I think. Great old dance tune. I have it from Charles and Samuel Thompson's collection of 200 favorite country dances, published 1765. It's in almost identical form in 1740 in John Walsh's collection of country dances. Robert Riddell has a similar setting. He's a friend of Burns. In his collection of Scotch, Galwegian, and border tunes, from which I took the bass line, but it's a little bit more fiddly, his version. It doesn't quite sing like this as naturally. So that's it. The Scots Musical Museum, Burns' publisher, published it as Cock Up Your Beaver, although we have his manuscript submission and it wrote Thy Beaver. I don't know why that change was made or if he endorsed it. When I have a manuscript, I tend to go with that. The musical setting is a little cutesy and does a move that's not found in any of the older sets. So I tend to dislike the work of their musical editor, Stephen Clark, who was a church organist from Durham, England, who's been allowed to hold sway over way too much of the Scottish folk tradition. I'm out to erase his presence from Burns songs. Be well. Please subscribe. Thanks.